For aerospace, defense, and military manufacturing, Washington State's Puget Sound region, and especially Kitsap County, is the world's epicenter.
There's so much opportunity when it comes to land availability, when it comes to work source, when it comes to education, when it comes to quality of life.
Well, we think the advantage of this area is, on one hand, the proximity to tech, the availability of tech in aerospace and defense. These are large industries here. On the other hand, we also have a great place to live.
Kitsap County plays a critical role in American defense and aerospace, from maintenance to manufacturing, and is poised for dramatic growth and prosperity in 21st century transportation, technology, and defense.
Kitsap County is fortunate to be in the close proximity to the Boeing Company and the Puget Sound Arena, which is the epicenter of aerospace for the world.
We've got over 3,000 acres of industrial property here. We've got an airfield where you can take 737s and land them and take them off. We've got a rail line back this way that connects you to the national rail grid and also connects you to a deep water port that ships merchandise all over the world to China and anywhere to the west.
In the heart of Puget Sound, Kitsap brings 4 huge advantages: available infrastructure, land, and facilities, a highly skilled workforce and state-of-the-art training, a technology and manufacturing base that fosters new products and skilled people, and the essential intangible, unmatched quality of life and work.
If you're a company that A, wants to be able to recruit the best and brightest employees, and B, you care about their ability to buy a home and to put their kids in good schools and all those kind of things, then you'd have to think about Kitsap County.
Quality of life starts becoming a higher value add to how people get their jobs done. And so I think that's something that Kitsap County has to offer that other places, not only in the state, but nationally, don't have.
The aerospace and defense industries, like the rest of our economy, are undergoing huge transformations.
I think my job in the state and in the department is really to think about how we strategically balance the commercial side with the defense side across every sector. I don't think of it as a vertical market. I think of the defense industry as a horizontal market that branches across multiple industry sectors. Being a defense community and being an aerospace community aren't mutually exclusive.
In this transformative environment, Kitsap County gets it. The influence of software and IT technologies, the growth of global systems and supply chains, the critical demand for flexible, committed people with diverse skill sets.
They're excited to be working on parts for space companies and for defense, because it is exciting technology. What they do is they machine parts out of metals, out of plastics, different materials. Right now, our business park, 12 Trees, is 100% occupied, with technology companies like ours. There's Lockheed, there's us, there's Shanyata Research. So they are finding a home in Kitsap County.
There's a lot of synergy between aerospace manufacturing and defense. The kind of skilled workforce you have to maintain aircraft carriers, submarines, and destroyers, a lot of that skill set is transferable to the commercial aircraft manufacturing business.
Kitsap County and the state of Washington represent the future of aerospace and defense, not just its past. Companies like Kitsap Composites use state-of-the-art robotics and sophisticated manufacturing techniques for lighter, stronger precision parts. Kitsap educators are pioneering new courseware in cybersecurity, electronic warfare, and computer control systems. And most importantly, thousands of extraordinary people are showing up for work every day, trained, enthused, and committed.
You have the educated, skilled workforce, you have the infrastructure, you have the state support, and you have the heritage, which means a lot in this industry.
Their skill set is all the way from nuclear engineering to welding. So you can find any of those skill sets here, and you can find training for them here. Nobody else in the country, I don't think, offers the kind of training and employment options in the manufacturing world that we have here in Kitsap County. Nowhere.
If you do a circumference of 40 miles around Seattle, I can't imagine there's a place that's better all around than this.
Kitsap County, Washington. A living legacy in defense and new horizons in aerospace.